Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night everybody. It's the weekend, and somebody is sleeping more. No, it's not me. No, it's not Tyler. No, it's not Sarah. Somebody is tired today. So I take care of the kids. Mama is tired?
Yes.
And yes, the kid never tired. The kid never tired. It's the weekend, but it's never the weekend for the kids. They're always up at early. Yes, Tyler?
Regardez cette voiture va à l'envers, mais il suit quand même.
Okay. I hope you're all doing well. It's very pretty outside. It's the last weekend before the end of the lockdown officially in France. So we're gonna do a lot of things today. We're gonna do a lot of things, and next week gonna be maybe a busy week. Have to make Tyler breakfast. Yesterday got some nice pancake, but it was so much that you have some more for today. Yeah, we have a lot to do this weekend. I'm gonna give some pancake to Tara, some orange juice to Sarah. Sarah loves orange juice. Well, I take an orange, I give her fresh juice. Look at your sister, she has things in the mouth.
It's okay, it's one of my toys.
Okay. Sometimes you give things better to the baby than to you, and then you say, so why do I get like bottle orange juice and I give a fresh orange juice? Why do I get like puree compote, only apple, and sometimes we do different foods for her, or nice food, or all of these things? Oh, well guys, I hope you're all doing good, and I catch you guys. C'est bon ça.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's the weekend. It's the weekend, and we are up and about. And Babe was up this morning early while I get some extra rest, and vice versa. We changed shift, and he went, and I got up, and I've been cleaning ever since I got up. So I'm still cleaning actually, but we are prepping lunch at the same time because I almost finished cleaning. So we're gonna do barbecue. You know, it's a weekend, so we love doing barbecue on the weekend, especially that the weather is so good. It's hot here now. No turning back from this weather. Sleeveless and all, butt out and all, everything. We're ready for outside, y'all. Anyway, so baby's getting barbecue ready. I'm taking care of the inside of the fries and the salad and all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys are enjoying your day, whatever time of the day you guys are watching this, whatever it is that you're doing today. Have fun doing it. Take this time to spend with your family, and you know, to just enjoy the moment, because a lot of us don't get the chance to be home. And the thing of the barbecue need to fix. One of the foot of the barbecue need to fix.
I know it's like this since long time.
It's always been?
Yeah,
and you work with it like that?
I always do.
Okay.
If next time you want to spend time, but I don't want to do it.
It's too small.
Take off your socks. Anyway, you guys, we're about to just have a good day, and you know, have no care in the world. We have nothing to worry about around here, so why not just bask in the moment and enjoy it outside? Anyway, catch up and keep up. We love you guys. If it's the first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and share with a friend, and tell a friend and tell a friend, and help us grow our channel. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys outside. Let me show you guys the kids outside. What's wrong? No, sit right here. I put Sarah a bit outside. Look at her. Put on your shoes. So everybody's enjoying outside right now. They've sitting at the table. Yes, Dad?
I'm going to bring my phone.
Okay, your phone. All right.
Yes.
Honey.
This is the food. Six and six. Oh.
Hey, hey. You dancing? Look at this girl. What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at her. Bottom in the ear. Bottom in the ear. Bottom in the ear. Mm-hmm. And these two playing dominoes. Real Saturday business. And I'm going to have wine. I'm going to have salad and barbecue, and the boys gonna have fries. Let's go check on the fries.
Mama, I mean,
You won?
yes.
You beat Papa?
Yes, I just had that in my hand and he showed me his card and I played that fast before he win.
Good job.
Because
Let's
I
go.
didn't have the fight. Look.
Alright, let's go check on the fries for the boys. Shake, shake, shake it. Okay, nice and pretty, almost done. Give them a few more minutes and they'll be ready. Fries ready? Who's ready to eat?
Me!
Yeah, who has to eat?
What's my burgers?
Tyler. 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 Call Tyler.
Chin, Tyler.
Where's your chin?
Let's do chin all in same time now.
Papa, come back.
Why are you saying it? I saw big fork.
So you can eat faster.
Faster? No, it's just that it's just for adults. That my fork is washing. That's why.
Did you drink off the brother food? Drink? You guys, this day went by so fast. I haven't been feeling my ulcers. I've been having a headache all day. I've been having a headache that's not going away. However, I just put Sarah down for bed and I'm going to do I'm gonna jump on a Zoom group thing that I do on the weekends with my Jamaican in France group. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of tonight. Babe and Babe also joining with me, so we have a lot of fun. But yeah, Tyler is also getting ready to go to bed right now. We didn't make any dinner really because we did so much barbecue. We had barbecue leftovers, and Tyler had his leftover turkey soup, so he had that for dinner.
The light is not...
The light is fine.
Right.
What you gonna say?
No, I just wanted to avoid you to talk, so it's just... Hey guys, my back hurts.
So everybody has something hurting. His back hurting, my head hurting.
I got is Saturday night and Saturday night. Since like 2-3 weeks now, we have a new meeting. Every Saturday night at 8 p.m. French time, we're doing like an online meeting with different Jamaican that live in France. Some live around France, but yeah, that's an organization like association named Jam in France, Jamaican in France, and yeah, they're very good, they're very cool, and we're having fun.
So
Every
it's like a date
Saturday
night and a Saturday night for us these days. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on the end of the vlog. What's the French expression for today? I don't have a Jamaican expression yet. What's
French
the French
expression is something. Okay, if somebody say you're a donkey to a nan, what it means?
You can breathe for long.
No.
Okay.
If somebody say you're to a nan, you're a donkey, mean you're an idiot. Yes.
Oh, I think that also mean in English too.
Back in the time in France, like in the 50s or 60s, when at school, they used to put on the board like the first person, the best student of the week or the month, and the worst student. The worst student, they make him like a donkey.
Okay,
they were mean at the time.
Oh my god.
Oh, if they do that now, then is a lawyer gonna come and put them in court, and why you treat my son as a donkey? And now the parents gonna come and slap the teacher. While in the time, if the teacher slap the kid, the parents come and slap against the kid.
Exactly.
Oh, no, it's the opposite.
Exactly. Okay, since you're on donkey topic, in Jamaica where I grew up, if somebody say you're a hee-hee-ha, hee-hee-ha,
Like a Chinese.
if you're a hee-hee-ha,
Oh,
you're
speak
fufu
Chinese
like
now.
a hee-hee-ha, mean you're like a donkey, you know what I'm saying?
You speak Chinese, Patra? Hee-hee-ha.
Oh,
Hee-hee-ha.
or
Oh,
baby, stop no. Or if they say like for example, when I was young, I could run really well, but I sprint. But if you can run really well, but you do cross country or long distance, they say you have donkey breath.
Come.
When somebody say you have donkey breath, means the guesser is here.
You have stamina.
If somebody in Jamaica say you have donkey breath, what does that mean?
I just want to do Jamaican next.
That's the Jamaican expression. Answer my question.
Donkey
if somebody
breath.
in Jamaica say you have a donkey breath, what does that mean?
I think that's mean a donkey doing a very long break.
Donkey break. No. If somebody say you have a donkey breath, but they say breath, because it's patois, mean you can run for long.
So they treat you as a donkey when you're young?
No,
they
because-
say you're a donkey?
Well, sometimes.
Mama was a donkey when she was young.
I'll have
Avec
the
les oreilles de
French.
Zane.
I have the French expression.
What's the French expression?
Bana.
No, not that.
Your sister sleeping it too loud. What's the French expression?
Foutre de là.
Répète.
Filtre de la.
Futre de là.
Mais oui.
Ok, ça veut dire quoi?
You need to guess. First is Mama who guess.
mean fruits on the tree.
Almost.
I mean vegetables on the tree.
No, that means 1,000 of things to eat on a tree. Everybody putting some things to eat on a tree so long and long and long until it's night and they sleep.
Okay, good job. Well, there you guys have it.
Make sure to remember.
That's the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get
Alright,
it.
you guys give this video a
Thumbs up.
and
Subscribe.
Get the baby,
and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.